The next featured patch from the 2A Patch Batch 2019 will be the 2A4E, or the 2A for everyone, and the Second Amendment is for everyone, diversity shoot. This is Tony Simon's project from New Jersey, and unfortunately I'd have to admit this is the biggest failure from the project. Tony is the largest pound for pound firearms instructor in the USA, and I messed up and gave him the smallest ounce for ounce patch in the patch batch. So that's my bad. He has a great design, he has a great effort. I don't want to make any light of the efforts that Tony's been doing over the years. We are proud to have him in the patch batch. The reason we had the patch batch was inspired by Tony and his efforts, and the idea to give him some new resources and an opportunity to diversify his funding for an excellent project. Tony will definitely be welcome in the next patch batch. I'm try to make up this error in the future, but I highly encourage you to check out Tony Simon and the 2A4E diversityshoot.com, and let us know in the comments what you think. As always, thanks for watching.
The guys and gals at gunwebsite.com encourage you to take a CCW course every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching gunwebsites.com.